In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OneNote to Notion using Zapier. This integration allows you to seamlessly sync your notes between the two platforms, keeping all your information flowing effortlessly and saving you the hassle of manual transfers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your OneNote content automatically updated in Notion, boosting your productivity and keeping your workflow organized. To start, open your web browser and go to Zapier.com. Zapier acts as a bridge between your apps, automating tasks that would otherwise take up your time. If you don't already have an account, sign up for the free plan. It only takes a minute and is well worth it for keeping your digital life streamlined. Once logged in, locate the Create button at the top left and click it. Then select Zap from the dropdown. In Zapier, a zap is an automated workflow that connects two apps and performs tasks in the background. For our purpose, we'll focus on linking OneNote with Notion. In the field that asks what you want to connect, start typing OneNote to Notion and select the suggested integration. Essentially, you are telling Zapier to send information from OneNote directly to your Notion workspace whenever an event occurs, such as adding or updating a note. This is perfect if you take meeting notes in OneNote but manage projects in Notion, as it ensures nothing gets lost. The next step is critical. You'll need to sign in to both your OneNote and Notion accounts through Zapier. This allows the apps to securely share information. Zapier provides guidance for each login, but make sure you have your credentials handy. If you encounter issues, verify your accounts and permissions and consider temporarily disabling any ad blockers or privacy extensions that may interfere. Once both accounts are connected, Zapier will guide you through configuring your workflow. You can specify which notes to sync and where they should appear in Notion. For example, you might sync every new page from OneNote to a specific Notion database, or only notes with certain tags. After configuring, Zapier may prompt you to test the connection. Run the test to ensure everything works properly before activating the workflow. And just like that, your OneNote and Notion accounts are connected. This automation might seem small, but over time it will save significant effort and keep your notes organized across both platforms. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.